What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Day 9. I am sick. Not feeling good whatsoever. Quentin and I are stopping to grab some donuts real quick. We got the trailer all hooked up. We did a little siding project on Saturday, so we took the trailer from the job site out at the winery. We are back. Grabbing donuts right now. Boom! Let's go, Q. Hello. Doing good. How about yourself? Let's get one of each of these twists. And that, my friends, is how you start off a good Monday. Although I'm feeling sick today, today's gonna be a damn good day. Let's get to the job site. We've got an hour drive. Nearly an hour later, we're here. That drive. Question for all of you, what is the longest you would drive for a project? This is about an hour and a half for me each way. 3 hours of driving per day. Well worth it though. Good morning, Fox.
Howdy.
Hey guys, we're on day 9 out here, hoping to get some walls built today. I am sicker than a dog right now. My nose is plugged up like crazy. My throat is killing me. So chances are I'm not going to be talking a whole lot during this video. Lots of time lapses, good music playing. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll talk when I can. Let's get it.
Foxy's getting our corner dialed in for us right now. We're currently moving some stuff around to where we can get material out. All of my 2x8 plate is buried. It'll all be open in just a sec. We'll park this old thing until we're ready to stand some walls, then we'll bring it back out, get her hooked up, get this rake wall stood. So the rest of my plate material is underneath these guys here. We've got a little stack of 4x8s. We moved all these studs over here. I'm just about ready to start framing. I've got all my wall calced out. So we're getting our rake wall going right now. We've got our top plates cut, both end studs are in. We're gonna lift that bottom plate up right now, get everything tacked together. All the way around, we'll be good to go. I'm gonna show you guys how to get your top plate numbers real quick. So our bottom plate is 184.5. That's our run. So you'll hit run, 2-inch pitch, hit diagonal. 187 and a 1/16. And that's gonna be long to short or short to long, however you wanna work it. And that's how you get your top plate number. And the second top plate that goes on will be the same number.
professionals at 5 inches. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 at 5 inches. Got it.
Probably gonna have to get this guy in the air and then get this one stood.
Yeah, I didn't finish nailing that sheet off right there.
It has been a long day. I made it though, with all my sickness. So chances are we're not gonna get either one of these walls up today. Kind of a bummer, but today's been an off day. We showed up really late, right around 9 o'clock. Took a long lunch. It's definitely a Monday. Tuesday will go better. This is like hands down one of the most boring videos I've ever put out, and I apologize for that. Hopefully I'm feeling better tomorrow. Get back to the action-packed fun. I originally thought about just skipping today as a whole, but I didn't want to do that to you guys. Figured saying something is better than nothing. Hope tomorrow goes better than today. I'll see you guys on day 10. Bang on.